Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to delete multiple profiles account in Microsoft Edge. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead and then follow the steps. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Microsoft Edge web browser. So click lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa upper right sides ay kailangan mo lang click tong tatlong dot. And then kailangan mo lang select yung settings. Dito lang sa settings and then yung pinakauna lang, select mo lang yung profile, ito siya. And then dito sa profile ay scroll down lang tayo. And then makikita mo dito yung more profiles account, okay? So ito yung kailangan nating i-delete or remove. Kung paano ba natin ito i-delete or remove, so napakadali lang naman. I-click mo lang tong switch, so switch natin. And then after na switch na, so kailangan mo lang click tong tatlong dot. And then kailangan mo lang select yung remove, so remove natin. And then remove profile. Ayan, so another one, switch. Click mo yung tatlong dot and then remove profile. Ayan, so another one. Click mo yung tatlong dot and then click mo yung remove. Click mo yung remove profile. And then switch. And then click mo lang yung remove. And then last one, click mo lang yung switch and then click mo yung tatlong dot and then click mo yung remove. And then click mo yung remove profile. Ayan mga kaibigan, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-delete or mag-remove ng multiple profiles account sa Microsoft Edge. Alright, so in hope na may natutunan ulit kayo mga kaibigan sa ating simple tutorial. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.